Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many iPhone users face: apps crashing. Whether it is a game, social media app, or productivity tool, it is incredibly frustrating when an app keeps crashing. But don't worry, we've got some simple solutions to fix this issue. Let us begin by exploring the various reasons why apps might be crashing on your iPhone. App crashes can be incredibly frustrating, but understanding the underlying causes can help us address the issue effectively. There are several potential factors that could be contributing to these crashes. One common reason is software glitches, which can occur if there are bugs or issues within the iPhone's operating system or the app itself. Outdated apps are another frequent culprit. When apps are not updated to their latest versions, they might not function properly or be compatible with the most recent iOS updates. Insufficient storage space on your device can also lead to app crashes. When your iPhone runs low on storage, it struggles to allocate the necessary resources for apps to operate smoothly. Additionally, corrupted app files can cause apps to crash repeatedly. These corrupted files can result from incomplete downloads, data corruption during updates, or other issues. Understanding these potential causes is the first step in troubleshooting the problem. In this guide, we will walk you through each possible fix, step by step, ensuring that you have a comprehensive approach to resolving app crashes on your iPhone. By addressing these issues methodically, you'll be able to restore your apps to proper working order and improve your overall user experience. Step number 1. Close and reopen the app. Often, the simplest solution can be the most effective when it comes to resolving app crashes on your iPhone. One of the first steps you should try is closing the app and then reopening it. This basic troubleshooting method can help clear out any temporary issues or glitches that might be causing the app to crash. Here's a detailed guide on how to do this. Number 1. Start by swiping app from the bottom of the screen and pausing in the middle to open the app switcher. This feature allows you to see all the apps currently running on your iPhone. Number 2. Look for the app that has been causing problems. Once you find it, swipe it out and off the screen to close it completely. This action stops the app from running in the background and clears its current state. Number 3. After closing the app, go back to your home screen and tap on the app icon to reopen it. This restarts the app afresh, potentially resolving any minor glitches or temporary bugs that were causing it to crash. By following these steps, you refresh the app, which often helps in fixing minor issues and glitches. This method is quick, easy, and one of the first things you should try when an app starts behaving unpredictably. It is surprising how often this simple solution can effectively resolve app crashes and improve your overall app experience. Step number 2. Restart your iPhone. If closing the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can often clear out temporary bugs and refresh the system. Here's how you can restart your iPhone. Number 1. Press and hold the side button along with either volume button. Hold this button simultaneously until the power off slider appears on the screen. This combination varies slightly depending on your iPhone model, but it generally involves the side button and a volume button. Number 2. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once the power off slider appears, drag it from left to right to shut down your device. You will need to wait for a few seconds until the screen goes completely dark. Number 3. Wait a few seconds. Then press and hold the side button again. After your iPhone is turned off, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This indicates that your iPhone is starting up again. Rebooting your iPhone helps clear out any temporary issues or glitches that might be affecting the performance of your apps. It refreshes the system memory and can resolve various software-related problems. If an app continues to crash after you have restarted your device, there may be other underlying issues that we will address in the subsequent steps. Step number 3. Check for app updates. Another frequent reason for app crashes is outdated software. Ensuring that your apps are up-to-date can resolve many issues and improve performance. Here's how you can check for and install updates. Number 1. Open the App Store. Start by locating the App Store icon on your home screen and tapping it to open the store. Number 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and app updates section. Number 3. Scroll down to see if any updates are available. In this section, you will see a list of apps with pending updates if there are any. Scroll down to review the list. Number 4. Tap Update All. If updates are available, you can either tap Update next to individual apps or simply tap Update All to update all your apps at once. By keeping your apps updated, you ensure that you have the latest bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements provided by the app developers. Regular updates can prevent crashes and make your apps run more smoothly. Updating your apps is a crucial step in maintaining the overall health and functionality of your iPhone, and it is a good habit to regularly check for updates to avoid potential issues. Step number 4. Check for iOS updates. Sometimes the issue might not be with the app itself, but with the iOS operating system. Ensuring that your iPhone's operating system is up to date is crucial for optimal performance and compatibility. Here's how to check for and install iOS updates. Number 1. Go to Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. Number 2. Tap on General. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. This section contains various settings for your iPhone. Number 3. Tap on Software Update. Next, tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will check for available updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to download and install it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Keeping your iOS updated can resolve compatibility issues, fix bugs, and enhance overall system stability. Updating your operating system is essential because new iOS versions often include important security patches, new features, and improvements that ensure your apps run smoothly. Regularly checking for and installing iOS updates can prevent many issues and keep your iPhone functioning at its best. Step number 5. Free up storage space. Lack of storage space can also cause apps to crash. If your iPhone is running low on storage, it can struggle to allocate the necessary resources for apps to function properly. To check your storage and free up some space, follow these steps. Number 1. Go to Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Number 2. Tap on General. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Number 3. Tap on iPhone Storage. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you will see a detailed breakdown of how your storage is being used. In the iPhone Storage section, you can see which apps and files are taking up the most space. Here are some tips to free up space. Delete unnecessary apps. Scroll through the list of apps and delete any that you no longer use. To delete an app, tap on it and then tap Delete App. Remove unneeded photos and videos. Photos and videos often take up a significant amount of space. Consider deleting duplicates, old screenshots, or videos you no longer need. You can also transfer them to a computer or cloud storage service before deleting them from your iPhone. Clear out unused files. Documents, downloads, and other files can accumulate over time. Delete any files you no longer need. By freeing up storage space, you ensure that your iPhone has enough room to operate efficiently, which can help prevent app crashes and improve overall performance. Regularly checking and managing your storage can keep your device running smoothly. Step number 6. Reinstall the app. If none of the previous steps work, try reinstalling the app. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted app files. To do this, number 1. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Number 2. Tap on Delete App and confirm. Number 3. Then go to the App Store and reinstall the app. Step number 7. Reset all settings. As a last resort, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your settings to their defaults. Here's how. Number 1. Go to Settings. Number 2. Tap on General. Number 3. Tap on Reset. Number 4. Tap on Reset all settings and confirm. And there you have it. 7 simple steps to fix crashing apps on your iPhone. If you have tried all these steps and the app is still crashing, it might be an issue with the app itself. So you can contact the app developer for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.